Hello everybody, and Project Cardboard, and we are back with yet another video. First off, thank you again for 500 subscribers. We are halfway to 1,000. I'm very grateful, and I haven't been having many ideas of what to build because the SR-71 project has been taking so much out of me. And as for that project, we're going to save that one when I have more time. I'm sure you can hear the rain. There's a lot of it right now. This is a little building. I've made over 10 of these so far, and I've gifted some to some of my acquaintances and kept some for myself, and I'm making a new one today for this video. They're a very nice project to make. You can make pretty much any building you want. You can make a round one and make like a lodge. You can make a bridge. You can make anything. This one is kind of more industrial style. It has like many windows and stuff. It was based off of multiple images, not one image. This one is more of a freehand model, I call it, because it's really up to you what details you put in and what you don't put in. It's pretty fun. In fact, I don't prefer, but I really like these builds more than builds where you have a template and it's like, you have to follow the template and stuff. Those of course have their charm as well, and I absolutely love doing those. And I've started making my own templates. There is a storm out here. Just listen to that. Wow. So, this is the model. It's not done. I'm going to add a satellite, because it's a more industrial vibe this building has. I wish I made the windows a little bit smaller. I could have made them smaller. It's not as if it was too hard or anything. I could have made them smaller, but I just, I thought they were fine until now I see and I realized the windows are humongous. Anyway, here I'm going to add some kind of bar structure, and I'm probably going to close this edge to make it, not look like that. And then it's supposed to be a movie theater, so I'm going to add like a poster board coming out here with like some letters. Then I'll put it on this little rock here. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for 1K subs. I'll be busy pretty soon. Once I settle, I'll be more consistent on the videos. By the way, everything in my shop is $20 because I have to get rid of stuff. I don't have to throw them away. I'm very grateful for you guys. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video, which should be soon.